guys, it's Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk. Eddie the Magic Monk.
Okay guys, so you can see these are the two computers I have. The left hand side is the old one, the new one is over here, and there are two things I need to move from the old one to the new one. On the old one, I'm going to take the graphics card out, put it in the new one, and I'm also going to take the two hard drives out, the SSD, which has the Windows operating system on it, and the hard drive, which has all my data, onto the computer on the right. Probably going to stop using this case after I take out the hard drive. So firstly, let's take out the graphics card. Notice graphics card needs a power supply cable. Needs one of these 8-pin power supply. This is coming from the power supply, so hopefully the new power supply has one. Take this out. Alright, that's the graphics card. Graphics card RX 6600 XT. Right? It's worth about $600. Not too old. You can see everything in this computer is dusty. Graphics card is fine because I only just got this not long ago. It's newer than the rest of the computer. Next thing I want to take out are the hard drives. These two hard drives. Just have to take out the other side. Look at how dusty the screw is. Not dusty, rusty. It's all rusted. Okay, so this is the back of the case. You can see some screws I've got to remove. Okay, so now SSD. This is a 1 terabyte Crucial SSD, and obviously it had a SATA cable and a power cable. Right, SATA cable, power, SATA data cable, and that metal bracket is locked onto the SSD, so I won't take that off. Hard drive, 8 terabyte, very dusty. Again, a SATA cable, SATA data, power cable and data cable.
Eddie the Magic Eddie the Magic Monk. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.